Hey guys, a lot of you have been asking in the Discord how to recover your Google Authenticator once you've lost your phone, for example, and you can't log into Activision. Unfortunately, there's no quick solution to this. You just need to set these codes back up again on your new phone. Preferably, you'd have your backup codes from Activision so you can log in and set this stuff up again. But this is the first step. I'm going to demo here is how you get control of the Authenticator app again, and then you'll have to add them using the QR codes on the websites again, or contact Activision to reset your 2FA so you can set it up again on the new Google Authenticator. So first of all, you have to be logged into your Google account, and you'll have to go to manage your account, hop on to security, and then you want to scroll down to two-step verification here. It'll ask you to sign in, and you just need to verify this using your app or whatever two-step verification you have set up already. Okay, and then you'll have this Authenticator app section here. So you want to go to change your phone, and it depends what device you've got. So if you've got an iPhone, go on there, and then just scan the QR code on there. So go back to your new Authenticator app and press scan QR code. Once you do that, it will add it at the bottom here. You can see I've added one before as a test. If I just go in here, delete that one, and then I've got the new one here. It will then, once you press next, it will ask you for the code. So just put that in and verify. And it's put it at the bottom there, and just see it's my account. Unfortunately, these ones here that I'm using, which I'm a bit worried about, will all be lost. The only other way you can do it is create backup of the QR code you scan for each one, keeping your photos or something. But if I'm being honest, you're probably best keep making sure you keep all your backup codes, print them off and store them somewhere. For Activision or wherever you've used PayPal, you'll get these backup codes, and then that means if it doesn't work anymore, you can log in. So I hope that's helped some of you. That's just the process you need to follow. Unfortunately, there's no quick fix for this. You can't recover them. You can export it on the, if you press the top right hand corner, 3 dots in the top right hand corner, and you go on export accounts. You can do that, but you need both phones available. So that's not going to help if you've lost your phone, for example. But this is the way to get it going, and you can start again that way. Use your backup codes to gain access, etc. Okay, thanks guys. See you in the next one.